cyber frauds. Nearly 300 crore worth of drugs have been recovered by Meghalaya Police in the last 2 years, with a total arrest of 610 traffickers, out of whom 61 were women, accounting to 10% of the total arrested individuals. Informing this, Meghalaya Director General of Police, Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, said that a total of 318 cases have been registered under the NDPS Act from 2022 till February 2024. He also informed that for the first time in the history of Meghalaya Police, about 14.2 kg of crystal meth, a very costly drug, was recovered. It was said that the market rate of this drug is approximately 1.5 crore per kg. When it comes to the total drug cost, by calculating the existing market rate, rupees 75 lakh was recovered in 2022, rupees 170 crore in 2023 and nearly rupees 21 crore in 2024, which means a total of rupees 300 crore worth of drugs was recovered by the state police in the last 2 years.
Our case registrations has gone up to 189.
101